In this video, I will show you how to use Claude Code in Antigravity. So right now you can see I'm on the Google Antigravity IDE, and at first you need to install Google Antigravity on your computer. Then you will follow this tutorial. Okay. So first, to use Claude Code in Google Antigravity, you will need to install Claude Code extension. So that's why you will go to the extension tab. Now here search Claude Code. You will see this extension from Anthropic. We'll click this extension and let me close this. So here you can see using Claude Code extension, you can use Claude Code without leaving your ID. We'll simply click install and now you can see it's installed. So when it's installed, you will see the Claude Code icon is here. You will simply click this Claude Code and here you will see welcome to Claude Code. To use Claude Code in Antigravity, here at first you need to log into your Claude profile. You can use Claude AI subscription if you have a Claude Pro team or enterprise subscription. If you already have Anthropic console account, then you can go with your Anthropic console. Then there is another option. You can also use third party services like Bedrock Foundry or Vertex AI. Okay. So as I have a Claude AI subscription and I am using Claude Code Pro, I will go with the first option. Let me click Claude.ai subscription. So it will open a new tab and simply you have to authorize your Claude Code account to the Claude Code extension. Let me authorize it. Okay. When it's done, back to the Antigravity IDE, you can start a section by clicking here. And now you can see this is your Claude interface. You can start chatting from here.